Samsung is working on its Galaxy M52 smartphone. We are talking about the Samsung Galaxy M52. This smartphone got a chipset of Qualcomm SM7225 Snapdragon 778G 5G. It has a 2.4 GHz Octa-Core processor inside the Samsung's Galaxy M52 to make the device ultra-fast. And also there is a GPU of Adreno 642L under this smartphone. The display screen size of the smartphone is 6.7 inches and it will provide the user with Full HD Plus resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels. The new Samsung Galaxy M52 has a Super AMOLED Plus capacitive touchscreen display. The smartphone has got 8 GB of RAM capacity. The internal storage capacity of the Samsung M52 will be 128 GB. And also you can extend your internal storage using by microSD card. The Samsung Galaxy's M52 has got a triple camera setup. The main sensor of the phone will be 64 megapixels wide, 12 megapixels ultrawide, and 5 megapixels macro camera. There is a 32 megapixel selfie camera for capturing photos and movies of your loving ones. There is an under-display, optical fingerprint reader in the Samsung Galaxy M52 to protect it from any unauthorized person. The battery of the phone will be somewhere around 5000 mAh. This is enough power for this Galaxy M52s, and there is a 15W of fast battery charging.